Today we're going to be making delicious peach cobbler. Let's get started! First we need to cut some peaches. After all the peaches are cut, add the butter into the pan. Then add the peaches, wait until the butter is melted and mix it around. Then add the peaches, sugar, orange juice, cornstarch, cinnamon, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Let's get started! Now add the sugar. Next, add cinnamon. And a little bit of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Cook for 13 to 15 minutes. Occasionally sear. The melted goo in them, it looks so delicious. So good. For the dough, we need milk, flour, granola sugar, baking powder, melted butter, and salt. Udah, saya. Nah, Oke, sama. Hold it. Now, let's make the ice cream that will go to the pie. We need 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of whipping cream, cream cheese, and vanilla. Vanilla, it's gonna be vanilla ice cream. Add a whole can of Transfer your ice cream into a separate pan. Put your ice cream to the refrigerator. Put your ice cream to the fridge and wait until it's hard. The peaches have so much flavor. They're so soft, warm, and juicy. And the bread is crispy on the outside and very soft on the inside. It's so good. I can't stop eating. It's like so good. The ice cream is just melting in your mouth.